Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to pay Costco credit card bill. So there are various ways in order to pay your Costco credit card bill. I'll tell you all the ways so you can pick the easiest way for you. So the first thing that you can do is online payment. For that, what you have to do is go to the official website of Citibank. All you have to do is simply go to the website citi.com, navigate to the make a payment section, choose the payment amount, payment date and bank account you'll be paying from, complete the transaction and your payment will be successful. Likewise, you can also do the mobile app payment. For that, download and install the Citibank mobile application, log into your account and find the section for make a payment. Simply tap on that option, follow through the prompts to select your payment amount and date, complete the transaction and your payment will be successful. Likewise, you can also do the phone payment. For doing the phone payment, what you have to do is call the Citibank's customer service number for credit card payments. All you have to do is simply dial this number for the consumer cards. You'll be able to see the number in the screen right over here. Simply call this number, or if you have the business card, what you have to do is call this number displayed in the screen right now. After you call this number, simply tell them that you want to pay for your credit card. Follow through the automated instructions or speak with a representative in order to make your payment. Or you can also do the mail payment. For that, what you have to do is simply mail your payment to the address provided on your billing statement. Ensure you allow sufficient time for payment to be received and processed. Or you can also do in-person payment at Costco. For that, what you have to do is simply visit any Costco warehouse and go to the service desk. Inform the staff that you want to make a payment on your Costco Anywhere Visa card. Now the staffs will assist you to make the payment. Simply follow through all the payment process and your payment will be successful. While you pay for your credit card, make sure to have your account information and payment details ready regardless of the method you choose. To avoid the late fees and penalties, make your payment before the due date. Consider setting up automatic payments to ensure timely payments and avoid missing due dates. So these are basically few things that you need to consider while making the payment. So like this, you'll be able to make a payment. So that is how you pay Costco credit card bill. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.